Welcome to Prince Charles House, a unique and pioneering development in Cornwall. Our dream is to provide homes that change lives, and these 31 apartments are setting new standards both in design and comfort for people as they grow older or those who need support to live independently. This new eco-development was made possible by a partnership between Ocean and Cornwall Council. It is the leading project for the St Austell and China Clay eco-communities, with the funding secured for Cornwall following a successful eco-town bid by Imerys. The development replaces a 50-year-old building that had reached the end of its life and could no longer offer suitable accommodation. Our aim was to rebuild Prince Charles House using cutting-edge design and the latest green technologies.
Prince Charles House was a challenging and complex project. The site itself was located in a residential area, had some very challenging levels and very limited access, and we had to contend with the Cornish weather. However, a collaborative approach adopted by the client, design team and contractor ensured that the project was delivered on time, on budget and to a high standard.
We are really proud that this building was awarded the highest environmental rating of BREEAM Outstanding. This award not only recognises the design and the construction, but also the opportunities that it gives residents to lower their carbon footprint. Prince Charles House is self-facing, making the most of natural sunlight and warmth, which is held in the Winter Garden buffer spaces. Photovoltaic panels convert daylight into electricity, and the green roof helps to reduce carbon emissions. It also works with the self-regulating windows which control the temperature in the communal areas.
The inspiration behind this project was to create an eco-friendly building. The client had very strong aspirations within their brief, and it was a real joy to work with that. We also wanted to create a building that really challenged the myths and the preconceptions attached to older persons housing. We wanted to do this by creating a contemporary, light, airy building, and one which the residents would really enjoy living in, and it would really enhance their lives.
The design of Prince Charles House meets HAPPY standards that seek to improve the quality of life for the ageing population. The communal areas and gardens are also welcoming places for visiting friends and family. We are helping residents to embrace greener living and are working with the University of Exeter Medical School to assess if this has a positive effect on their health and well-being. By monitoring energy and water usage through the building management system, we are also able to help residents lower their bills. What we learn here will be shared to improve lives in communities throughout Cornwall. By working together, we can all adapt the way we live to tackle both the challenges of fuel poverty and climate change. An important part of this project was to show how we can support and involve the surrounding community, and they were all able to watch Prince Charles House grow through the live webcam. And now for some technical facts. 90% of the old building was recycled, with 2,000 tonnes of the material used in the new foundations. The timber frame was manufactured locally, with wood sourced from environmentally friendly forests. The building has a fully integrated sprinkler system that significantly exceeds building regulations. Photovoltaic panels generate 43,000 kilowatts per year. That's 70% of the building's energy, and they power the communal areas. The heat recovery system helps to keep homes well ventilated and at a comfortable temperature. Homes are also extremely airtight and well insulated, preventing drafts and heat loss. The development used local companies and suppliers and created jobs. It also helped to upskill businesses by giving them invaluable experience in renewable technologies. and provided students with a real taste of the building industry.
We've never done this before. It's just sharing our knowledge and giving it back to the youngsters, because we were all young once and everyone's got to learn.
The students have benefited for this visit because they've been able to look at the real life aspect of working on a building site from all different trades and professions involved.
And it wasn't just construction students who joined in the fun. So now you know a bit about the layout and history of Prince Charles House, let's go in and see how the residents are getting on in their new building.
Oh, I think it's brilliant. It's far better than the old one. I mean, you've got friends next door, you've got room outside for the wheelchairs in the corridors to pass each other. Nice and airy, and you know, I can't see any fault. You can't fault it.
When I come here first, I thought, well, I wonder what it's going to be like. Now I know. It's the best thing I ever done.
My old flat was not suitable for a wheelchair or any of my disabled equipment. So if my multiple sclerosis flared up, which it did on occasion, I'd have to go into hospital. Now I can be independent in this lovely flat. It has improved my quality of life, and I can really say that. I really can.
I like it here because it's bright and airy and disabled friendly.
It's so good to see you getting back to your old self again, Mum. It really is, you know, with your cooking and your baking and just doing the things that you love. I mean, you really are my mum again.
That's a grand thing for me. It's given me a new lease of life.
Yeah, it has. And the light and the fresh air and everything, it's made such a difference. I mean, the winter garden is fantastic, isn't it?
You know, it's like heaven here for me.
Yeah. I mean, the fact that you can now grow your plants and, you know, be out in the open space, it's what you've always wanted.
So as you can see, we're not just building homes, we're creating a community, and we hope that everyone who lives or visits here enjoys Prince Charles House.